Alright, hi, I'm JD, and what we're going to be doing today is simplifying this polynomial. And this polynomial is being squared. So you have 7x plus 3 parentheses, and the whole thing is squared. So if you would, pause the video and see if you can try to do this one on your own. Alright. There's two ways to go about it. One way is simply just by rewriting it. So this is a square. When you have 3 squared, right, 3 squared, that's the same as saying 3 times 3. You're just multiplying by itself twice. So it'd be 7x plus 3, 7x plus 3. And then you just FOIL. So when you FOIL, you have your first, right? So it's first, outer, inner, and then last. So 7x times 7x is 49x squared. Now, this right here, 7x times 3 gives you 21x. Then the inner is 3 times 7x, which is another 21x. And then 3 times 3 gives you a 9. Now what you're going to do is you just simply add like terms. So that's 49x squared plus 42x plus 9. Now let me show you a shorter way. The shorter way is this. If you know that this is a binomial, and it's raised to a certain power, what you can do is use Pascal's triangle. Pascal's triangle is very interesting, to say the least. And it's called Pascal's triangle because it was found by Pascal, and it's in the shape of a triangle. You have 1, and then 1, 1, and then 1, 2, 1. The pattern is you just 1's on the outside, and then to get the inner ones, you just add. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Here is 1 plus 2. This would be 3 and 3. And then the pattern goes all the way down. This is the binomial raised to the 0th power. This is a binomial raised to the 1st power. This is a binomial raised to the 2nd power. This is the binomial raised to the 3rd power. And it has to be a binomial. If not, then the pattern's not the same. Now also, these numbers indicate the coefficients. So here, the coefficients would be 1 to 1 because raised to the 2nd power. Now, what happens here is one term is going to, increase while the other one is going to decrease. So, for example, here it would be 7x squared plus, and then this is 3 to the 0, which is just 1. Now, in the middle, you have 2 as your coefficients. Now, if this was a minus sign, the signs would change, but since it's a plus, you don't have to worry about it. And then you have 7x, right? That's 7x raised to the 1st. And then you have 3 raised to the 1st, plus 3 squared. Notice how these, to the degree of, notice when you have the degrees, this is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2, and then 2. That's kind of the pattern. 1 decreases or descends while the other one ascends, right? You have 3 to the 0, 3 to the 1st, 3 squared. And then you just simplify it. So this is 49x squared plus, you multiply all of these. 7 times 3 is 21. And 21 times 2 is 42. It's 42x. And then what's 3 squared? Right, that's 9. Now, if you don't want to memorize this, just remember, square this, you get that. Multiply these two, and then multiply them again by 2. You get 42x. And then square the 3. Once you square the 3, you get 9. So that's pretty much